Imagine managing your tax queries from your phone. With SARS WhatsApp, connecting for tax services is just a tap away. Simply save the number on your phone and start your chat by typing hi or hello. Remember, the WhatsApp number you use must match the contact number registered on your SARS profile. The SARS WhatsApp channel conveniently offers individual taxpayers the following tax service menu options. Click Choose an option to see the menu. Tax reference number, statement of account, refund status, audit status, and other various options available, including auto-assess status and uploading of supporting documents. Go ahead and add the number 0800 11 72 77 to your contact list. This channel is available 24/7. SARS at your service.